Welcome back to Easy Way channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your friend code on Steam and where to find it. If you're new to Steam or just looking for a quick way to add friends, you're in the right place. So let's get started. A friend code on Steam is an easy way to add somebody to your friends list. Everyone has their own unique friend code. Finding it is super simple, and there are two main ways to do it. First, go to the top left corner of your Steam window and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side menu, make sure you are on Account tab. And here, you'll see your friend code right here at the top. It's a unique number associated with your account. I'm going to blur mine, but you'll see yours clearly. You can copy this number and send to someone to add you as friend on Steam. Or, you can click here on Add Friend if you received someone's friend code and you want to add it as friend. Another way to get to this menu is to hover your mouse on your Steam name up here and select Friends. Then on the left side menu, select Add Friend, and here you are. Here, you'll find your friend code displayed prominently. Right below it, there's an option to enter your friend's code to send them an invite. To add a friend, all you need to do, in the provided field, enter their friend code that they sent you, and press Enter. Your friend will get a request, and once they accept, you'll be connected. And that's how you find and use your friend code on Steam. It's a straightforward process that makes adding friends quick and easy. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest videos. Until next time, keep gaming, stay awesome, and I'll see you all.